6th century. 200 years later, they built this one, they set up this one, they built a monastery here. But then they set up this one, and they lived with civil society together. Generally, when we talk about monasteries, you can imagine like it's far away from the settlements, but they live with civil society in this area. But most of the parts are ruined anymore. That's why.
Dadah Bunda.
But there's some still risk for collapsing. That's why people don't let them, the government don't let people enter inside of it. Let me show you this point.
Oh, nice place.
They didn't have big animals, cows. They have mostly sheep and goats, and they were tying. They were bringing the animals here, and they were tying all these carts. This water is. They still give water. They were tying their animals to this one because to give water it must be.
Itu anak kecil disuruh makan biasa. Ini minuman kalau anak kecil disuruh makan. Yuk. Itu, foto itu.
First of all, I'm going to show you the most popular shape. Camel shape.
Tempat adalah tempat pembuatan keramik. Inside, please. This is your part.
Bunda harus beli nih Bun.
Here, give one name, please. This is a workshop for paintings or drawings.
For painting.
There will be a demonstration for you. We are waiting for this group.